Hello, in this video we're just going to complete a hardware size comparison of the CAT S50 against some other smartphones to give you an idea of how this device compares in overall physical size. So I'm going to start with the CAT B15Q, which is a smaller device from the CAT range of phones. You can see some similarities in the overall design and form factor, but the S50 is considerably larger, but it is also thinner and perhaps looks a little bit more stylish. In terms of weight, there's not a lot in it. Next, I'm going to bring in a JCB ProSmart. Now, because CAT phones are aimed at those in industry and trades, this could be one that you're already using. Now, you can see the marked difference in size and thickness, but what you can probably also notice is the CAT is the more attractive of the two devices. It isn't covered in the rubber like the JCB is. It just looks a little bit more polished. So here we have original iPhone, just to compare for the sake of size, because you've probably handled or seen one of these. So the S50 is considerably bigger, it's thicker as well, and it's heavier. Next we have a Samsung Galaxy S4. So this is more closely matched in size, a bit more curved, not as thick, but you get the idea. So if you were switching from an S4 to the S50, the difference wouldn't be quite so great. It would be noticeable, but not like it would if you were switching from some other devices. We've also got the Nokia Lumia 930. Now this is much squarer like the S50 and actually has a much closer form factor all told really. Still thinner and not quite as wide, but you can see the differences there. And in terms of weight, not a lot in it. The S50 is slightly heavier, or so it feels in the hand. We've got the LG G3. So the S50 is about the same height because of the larger screen and about the same width, but there's a lot more curvature to the G3 and it's of course thinner as a result. And then lastly, we've got the Motorola Moto E, a popular little handset, sort of entry level, different specifications to the S50, but you get an idea on the overall size. So that comes up to the sort of top of the screen, not even encountering the bezel. Thickness wise, the S50 is still thicker, a lot of curvature to the Motorola Moto E. So there we are, that's a quick hardware size comparison of the CAT S50 against some other smartphones.